The ABCD pattern. Rules of engagement. The ABCD pattern begins with a market impulse leg that establish our A and B points. Once the A and B points have been printed, we look for our initial criteria. Criteria 1. The market forms the C completion point by fulfilling at least a 61.8% retrace of the A to B leg. Note: the B to C move remains valid as long as there is at least a 61.8% retrace of A to B and there is not a candle close beyond the 78.6% retrace of A to B. Second note: the C completion point. The candle wick can extend beyond the 61.8% retrace of A to B, as long as the candle does not close beyond the 78.6% retrace of A to B. Criteria 2. If criteria 1 has been met, then look for criteria 2. The market forms D completion point by fulfilling at least a 1-to-1 harmonic move of the A to B leg, coming in at a 127.2% extension of A to B. For ratio confluence confirmation, a measurement of the BC may be taken and the extension should come in at around a 138.2% to a 161.8%. Note: the D point remains valid as long as there is at least a 127.2% extension of AB and there is not a candle close beyond the 161.8% of AB. Note: in a valid C to D move, there must be at least a 127.2% extension. Failure to achieve a 127.2% extension invalidates the pattern. Trade management. Entry, stops, and targets. Simple rules. Entry: limit order placed at the D completion point, the 127.2% extension of A to B. Stop placement: 10 pips more or less the 161.8% extension of A to B. Target 1. The 38.2% retracement of A to D move. When attained, move stops to break even. Target 2. The 61.8% retracement of A to D move. When attained, trail stop to structure more or less 10 pips.